Hello, fellow traders. Welcome to Alsky's call. Tonight's featured stock is AGI. So this is the chart of AGI, and as you can see, AGI was able to complete its cup and handle pattern. So this is the neckline, and then our cup. This is our cup. And this is our handle. So it currently completed the cup and handle pattern. So if we are going to invest on this stock, so our buying areas are in the risk on level, near risk on level, and near the bullish territory area. So we are going to buy in tranches. And for our Alsky's call, we have a buying range at 7.06 to 7.09. However, since the stock managed to break out the neckline, we can have another buying opportunity on the breakout level. Also, we can also add our position if it managed to break the resistance. So we can have our buying opportunity there. So as you can see, the cup and handle pattern is completed. So this will signify a reversal of a trend. So if we are going to measure the resistance or spot the resistance, we have a resistance here near 1050, and we also have another resistance here around 1150. So if we are going to measure the upside for our TP1, we have an upside of 40%, and for our TP2, an upside of 55%. So this is AGI. If you are going to look at the disclosure of AGI, AGI is very busy buying their shares back. So when a company buys back its shares, so they have the confidence to buy their own shares because they knew or they feel that the stock is undervalued. So that's why they are going to buy their own shares. So this is our analysis for AGI. Our next featured stock is LTG. So this is the chart of LTG. As you can see, it managed to form a strong support above 7. It was able to break out from a continuation wedge pattern. And it was able to break out its resistance here, triggering our Alsky's call to buy on our buying range of 8.98 up to 9.14. Also, it also breaks out our resistance on 9.78. So, we have a strong volume coming from LTG. And this volume came from the news. LTG has a news about its reconstructing its partnership with the Heineken International. So, merong news itong si LTG, and with that news, nag-surge yung price niya, closing at 8.1% last October 14 with a huge volume, thus breaking out our high here. So if we are going to trade this breakout, we can buy, we can have another buying area as we trade the breakout, or we can also buy if there is a certain retest on the previous breakout level. As for our next resistance, we have our resistance here, 12 or 11.5, and we also have another resistance here, somewhere here near 13. So if we're going to compute or to measure the upside from the last closing price, we still have an upside of 15%. On our second resistance, we have an upside of 31%. So this is our analysis for LTG.